Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D Tech with the unboxing of the LIFE TICK-Tock analog timer. Now that's essentially a counterclock timer with an alarm. Now that's a magnetic one on the back, up to 59 minutes of countdown time, and here on the back we can see the specs, and that's essentially for using the magnet on kitchen appliances and count down the cooking time. But you know what, you can use that for gaming, for cool downs, or for any other usage. This analog timer is just the thing you need. And so for opening the box we must use a pair of scissors and cutting this seal open, something like that. And now we can check the product itself. This is a really cost-effective way for an analog timer for various usages. This box is empty, and here we have the product itself covered in this protective bag, but it's somewhat lightweight, and the manual. And we can check here how to use this product and the way to use it. It's quite simple, I guess. There is the English. Okay, here is all you need to know. There is also a cleaning guide here. Now that's really useful. No matter what you are using this for, it's worth taking a good read here and actually use properly this contraption, also known as timer for a kitchen, that we'll check closely right now. It seems to have some weight at the base of it. I guess that's where the magnet is. Really good build quality with this metal accent on the top and on the side. So we turn it clockwise and now it's ticking. Now the back we have the magnet, as I said before. Now we can adjust the timer for more time, or we can stop it and trigger the alarm. Well, we cannot pause this, you must turn it all the way to the end manually. Well, in a digital era you still need this type of kitchen timer, an analog one for counting down the cooking process, but I still consider this a timer, so you can use that for any other usage. That's really handy. So this was the unboxing of the LIFE TICK-Tock timer. Feel free to subscribe. If you like this, leave us a like, and as always from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.